your past. Free from all my preoccupation. Tell me why you don't ever come around. Tell me why you don't ever come around. This is not a new situation. I only want back what's been taken. You don't ever come around. Tell me why you don't ever come around. On a good day I bore you. If I have to I ignore you. Will it help if I ignored you? Just how much should I adore you? Take me to those places, unfamiliar faces. It reminds me of a life I have now took down since I'm back. Back in the wrong place at the wrong time. No anymore in trouble of life. Tell me why you never come around. Tell me why you won't ever come around. This is not a new situation. I only want back what's been taken. You never come around. Tell me why you don't ever come around. On a good day I bore you. If I have to I ignore you. Would it help if I adored you? Just how much should I adore you? Will you take me to those places where there's unfamiliar faces? Reminds me of the life I have now taken since I'm back. Tell me why. On a good day I bore you. If I have to I ignore you. Would it help if I adored you? Just how much should I adore you? When you take me to those places where there's unfamiliar faces. It reminds me of a life I have now. Don't stop time. Seems so bad. On a good day I adore you. If I have to I ignore you. Would it help if I adored you? Just how much should I adore you, babe? When you take me to those places where there's unfamiliar faces. It reminds me of the life I